Hello, everyone. How are you today? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Let's do our self-introduction. My name is... I'm 6 or I'm 7. I'm in first grade. I go to elementary school. My favorite subject is math. 国語だったら language arts。音楽だったら music。体育だったら PE。When I grow up, I want to be a... Okay, let's sing a couple songs. Supercalifragilistic, here we go. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, honey, sugar, cinnamon toast, apples and oranges. I like fruit the most. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Dum diddy dum diddy dum dum die, dum diddy dum die. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Honey, sugar, cinnamon toast, apples and oranges. I like fruit the most. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Chun chun. Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. Zoo tomorrow. Zoo tomorrow. Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo. 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 How about you? You can come too. We're going to the zoo. Zoo. One more time. Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. Zoo tomorrow. Zoo tomorrow. Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. We can't stay all day. We're going to the zoo. Zoo. How about you? You can come too. We're going to the zoo. Zoo. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, let's look at our books. Please take out at the lake, okay? Don't say at the lake, no, or at the lake, no. At the lake, okay? Page 3, listen and repeat. This っていうのはこのだから this swimsuit はこの水着っていう意味ね。Okay, page 3. This swimsuit. This dock 港。This boat. This tree. This fish. This rock. This frog. This lake. Okay, one more time. Let's read it together. Page 3. This swimsuit. Page 4. This dock. This boat. This tree. This fish. This rock. This frog. This lake. Okay, here we go. Let's look at the bookstore. Whoops, I dropped my book. Okay. The bookstore. 本屋さんね。Page 3. The door. 次は部屋。The room. The books. 次は helper は手伝ってくれる人。The helpers. The chair. The story. Monogatari は story. 次、おやつ。The snacks. The bookstore. Okay, let's read it again together. Page 3. Page 3. The door. The room. The books. Page 6. The helpers. The chair. The story. The snacks. Page 10. The bookstore. Okay, now let's get our third book. 3冊目. Rain on Fairyland. Okay? 妖精がいる街に雨が降ってきます。そういう本ね。Page 3. Listen and repeat. 聞いて繰り返す。Page 3. Rain on fairies. Rain on flowers. Rain on bugs. Rain on leaves. Rain on rocks. Page 8. Rain on animals. Rain on water. Page 10. 屋根に雨が降る. Rain on roofs. Okay, let's read it again. Let's read it together. Page 3. Rain on fairies. Page 4. Rain on flowers. Page 5. Rain on bugs. Page 6. Rain on leaves. Rain on rocks. Page 8. Rain on animals. Rain on water. Page 10. Rain on roofs. Okay, please get a piece of paper and write your name at the top. Then, その次, then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, question number 1. Please look at the lake. Okay? 英語で how many というときは、それはいくつという意味です。how many. Okay? いくつ。何個ありますか? Okay, here we go. Question number 1. Please look at page 3. Page 3. How many fish do you see? How many fish, 魚, do you see? How many いくつ? Question number 2. Please look at page 5. How many people, 人 are in the boat? How many people are in 中 the boat? Okay. Question number 4. Please look at page 10. 10. How many people are sitting on chairs? まあ、long chairs. 長い椅子に座ってるのは何人? How many people are sitting on long chairs? Question number 4. Please look at page 5. 5ページ, page 5. How many people are reading a book? How many people are reading a book? Reading は読んでる. Okay? How many people, 何人 are reading a book? Question number 5. Please look at the bookstore. The bookstore. Okay? Please look at page 2. How many people are wearing glasses? Glasses, メガネをかけてる人は何人? How many people are wearing glasses? Question number 6. Please look at page 6. Please look at page 6. How many people are wearing 身につけてる wearing glasses? How many people are wearing glasses? Question number 7. Please look at page 9. 9. How many これはいちご cherry さくらんぼかな How many cherry cupcakes do you see? How many cherry cupcakes, cupcake ね。How many cherry cupcakes do you see? Okay. Question number 8. Please look at Rain on Fairyland. Okay. Please look at page 3. 問い8, page 3. How many fairies do you see? Fairy は妖精. Do you see はあなたは見えますか? How many fairies do you see? Please look at page 8. How many, 次問い9ね. How many animals, 動物. How many animals do you see? How many animals do you see? Question number 10. Please look at page 10. How many doors, doors, ドアのことね. How many doors do you see on page 10? Okay, well, that's all for this homework video. So let's sing one more song and then we will be done, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba ba. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye bye. Ting ting wada wada. Bing bang. Bye bye.